Magandang gabi, mga idol. Ang paligang ito ay atid sa inyo ng ating sangguniang kabataan ng Barangay San Manuel sa pangunguna ng ating SK Chairman RJ at ang kanyang mga SK kagawad. Shoutout din sa ating referee from SBP Puerto Princesa City Chapter. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Shoutout din sa ating malupit na announcer ngayong gabi, walang iba, from Nara Panchoy. Good luck both team and enjoy watching, mga idol. Final quarter na po. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyong panonood, mga idol.
It's a 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Seconds on the shot line. In 5.3 outside. Inactive mula sa ating takbuhang pinapresto. And a chase number 2. Looking for the teammate. At number 4, we have only 18 seconds on the shot line. Then a jumper. Pow! Then fall for foul of jersey number 9. Then pushing foul. Shout out kay Julius Tamuya. Thank you so much, Brad. Mapagparang kami sa Brad, ha. Isa sa ating utol yan. Joy, thank you so much. And third person foul also known in the first team foul. At ang jersey number 9, first free throw. Good for 1 point. Talagang plakatong mula sa ating kagata ng ating free throw. Then ang silpang free throw. Jump is ready. Pero jersey number 9. Then quarter foul. In the jersey number 8, we have check foul. Leon out. Pinagpahinga mo na itong Leon. Pinalitan itong Aurelio. In the jersey number 2, we have only. They're not good. At syempre, shoutout din sa ating Dreamers Coffee. Yan ang dyan ano. At sa mga gustong kumapi dyan, may hot coffee na, may cold coffee pa. Yan, shoutout po dyan sa mga may-ari for Dreamers Coffee. Kung basta 37 pesos naman po yan, automatic mura na, masarap na kape pa. May 7 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. We have only 7 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Out of the go to the big side, number 2. And the steal, lilipat sa amin ang kalsada. At number 7, pocket jumper, 2 points. It's a 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. 48-67. Papasa ni si Norling Kalamangan. In 6 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Jumper, Captain. And Captain basket and 1, number 30. Captain, foul jersey number 34. Electric Contact Pinard and 1 Peter. Yan, shoutout sa tindahan ng Kuya Pong. Shoutout Kuya Pong, ha. Kaya masalamat sa ating. Thank you so much po. Mapagpalang kami sa inyan. We have only 6 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Remaining time 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Ang jersey number 4. At the start for chase. Uy, mapapabayaan yung mamang guwapo. And jumper. Hachimura! Team by Aurelio. Good for points. Basta kalmong automatic na sa tama ang tao. Timeout. It's a timeout. Maggie's Kitchen. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. And back to the ball game. Kung may JDF Taiwan dito, may air supply. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 6 minutes and 8 seconds. In 48 si Shete Kuro. We have only 10 seconds on the shot clock. 6 minutes to go. 5 seconds to shoot. Gonzaga. Talagang pasok kung pasok ano. Eh, 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Ano chase number 9 to the wing side. Pow! Ayun na, nakalista na rin sa pasakawang kay listahan na. May record na rin sa ating listahan. Foul on jersey number 19, pushing foul. by Gonzaga. It's a first personal foul by Gonzaga. May El Canana, may El Bayawak, shoutout sa akin ng SK. In 5 minutes in the 49 seconds remaining, number 10 from the first free throw. Wala sa akin ng first free throw, not you. Remain inside 5 minutes in the 49 seconds remaining. And the score is 48-71 score. Last in final free throw, jumper straight. Last in the final free throw. And the choice of time, good for 1 point. Remain inside 4 minutes in the 48 seconds remaining. And jersey number 77, jumper for the 2-point area. Gumagamit pa ng salamin pero hindi nga kumrado. Jersey number 9 shooting, Benevela, 2 points. 51-71 score. We have only 8 seconds to shoot. Awinyo to Jacob. Ang secret weapon ng Pilipinas. Repostes. At sila pupunto ng wing side number 9. Wala ka rin. At rebound pero malaking naman yung nasa galing. 3 seconds to shot na. And 5 for 3. Repostes rebound. Parang siya pa ang mga ano kayo ng MVP. Important sa third. Sala nga po yung dalawahan. It's a shooting 2 points. Four minutes in the 15 seconds away. And jersey number 4 on the trying, going to the weak side. It's good for 2 points. Three minutes and 23 seconds away. An outside jumper, 5 for 3. It's good for 2 points. 2 points. It's a good for 2 points. They call for foul. They call for foul on the jersey number. They foul on jersey number 18. Call for a leg contact with arm and a 2-free throw. Timeout. Your team, 5-1. We have the first free throw. Good for 1 point. And Tiger runs in front of Pedro, 2 points. Seconds on the shot clock. 8 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds shot clock. Leonor, 2 points. And 57-77. In a jersey number 4, called for foul. They foul on jersey number 5, a pushing foul. 2 free throw. First personal foul in 1 into entry for foul suit. In a jersey number 4, first free throw. Doesn't work for personal. Jersey number 4, 1 point. We have only 3 minutes and 5 seconds away. And 10 seconds shot line. In 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. 5 seconds shot line. And 5 for 3. Big. And 2 points area. Gumamit pa ng salamin. They call for foul on jersey number 15. Number 15. Holding foul. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. Here is substitution. Here is substitution, Patingas number 18. Good for 1 point for jersey number 9. Last and final free throw. And the jersey number 9. At passing point number 13, we have only made some 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Put up and you know it's a foul. Foul jersey number 8 pushing foul. Who's foul? Number 8. Call for foul jersey number 8. Also by Fabregas and public participation. Number 15, Nasir Palpita. 1 point. We have only 2 minutes in the 4 seconds minute. Remaining time. We have only number 8 popping us warning for technical for delaying the game and the rest of the team. Ating kwentuhan, Ibrahim from the outside at number 22, call for the paint 1:55 seconds, 8 seconds on the shot at 5 for 3 at pass and word, rebound pipihitin, back to for that let the distance and Chelsea, ay may kita doon, traveling violation Choy, yung tipo nga nasa kanan na kinakaliwa pa kaya habang bata pa marunong makaliwa, huwag nang magpahuli ano. The size 77 score. They won with the 42 seconds remaining. And the score 77-60 score. One with the 25 seconds remaining. In time, San Shama. Ingat na lamang po sa mga player natin. 5 seconds to shoot. Then Fabregas, 3 seconds to shot. And outside jumper, not good. Ingat na lamang po sa mga player natin. We have only 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. At the chase number 4 to the wing side. Good for 2 points. 1 minute 3 seconds. And now ladies and gentlemen, one minute! Ingat na lamang po. We have only 8 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Then in our number 15 jumper, they're good for 2 points. 35 seconds. Ingat na naman po. Jersey number 4. And the rest of jumper, 2 points. And now ladies and gentlemen, we have only 20 seconds remaining.
Kung umabot ka na sa part ng video na ito, baka naman pwedeng paki-subscribe ang ating YouTube channel, Basketballers. At paki-bisita na rin po ang aking Facebook page, Franz TV 2.0. Paki-follow na rin po mga idol. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.